Membrane lipids. Lipids are biological membrane lipids. Biological membrane lipids. Lipids. These biological membrane lipids are structural lipids in the biological membrane. Structural lipids in the biological membrane. Biological membrane. The structural lipids are divided into five types. One is glycerophospholipids. Second one, galactolipids. And sulfolipids. Sulfolipids. Third is archaeal tetraether lipids. Ether lipids. Fourth one, sphingolipids. Lipids. Fifth one, sterols. Fifth one, sterols. The structural lipids in the biological membrane are divided into five types depending upon the composition present in the lipid bilayer. These structural lipids are used in the biological membrane to construct lipid bilayer. These structural lipids are mainly impermeable to polar molecules and ions. For example, this is the cell membrane. It has double layer structure. Has double layer structure. These double layer structure in the biological membrane. These structural membrane lipids are inserted. Structural lipids are inserted. These structural lipids X. These structural membrane lipids are useful to control inflow of inflow of other molecules or other ions into the cell as well as to leak to control leak out of the cellular ions to the extracellular matrix. This is most important to maintain cell structure and volume and ion composition in the cell. The structural lipids are again divided into five types: glycerophospholipids, galactolipids, and sulfolipids, archaeal tetraether lipids, sphingolipids, and sterols. We'll see one by one membrane lipids. Membrane lipids. Glycerophospholipids. First one, glycerophospholipids. These glycerophospholipids are membrane lipids, are part of membrane lipids, membrane structural lipids. Structural lipids. And these glycerophospholipids are amphipathic and non-polar. Non-polar. We'll see glycerophospholipids have three molecules. Glycerophospholipids have three molecules. One, glycerol, glycerol. Second one, aliphatic chain of aliphatic chain or fatty acid chain. Third one, phosphate moiety. phosphate moiety. The glycerophospholipids have three components. One glycerol, second one fatty acid or aliphatic chain, two, third one phosphate, three. These glycerophospholipids are will carry out basic membrane functions like impermeable to polar molecules and ions. These, these are glycerophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids are again divided into different types based on the aliphatic chain and phosphate moiety varies. Palmitic acid, acid, oleic acid, plus phosphate. This is glycerophospholipid. Glycerophospholipid. For example, it has these glycerophospholipids are linked to fatty acid through ester bonds. And the phosphate is linked to phosphodiester bonds. Phosphodiester bonds. You see the general structure of glycerophospholipids. One, two, three, four, five. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Palmitic acid is saturated fatty acid. Fatty acid This aliphatic chain in the glycerol is maybe saturated or unsaturated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Delta 9 monounsaturated fatty acid. Monounsaturated fatty acid is called oleic acid. Oleic acid. Depending upon the phosphate, glycerophosphatidic acid. This is a basic glycerolipid. This is called glycerophosphatidic acid. Glycerophosphatidic acid. In H place, we can place in any other molecules, like if we replace with H with H with ethanol amine, ethanol amine is called phosphatidyl ethanolamine. Glycerophosphatidyl ethanolamine. We replace with X with choline. Choline, phosphatidyl choline. Then, if replaced with serine, phosphatidyl serine. We'll see the next